The BJP has called for a 12-hour Bengal Bandh. The BJP, talking about the law and order situation in the state of Bengal, has said that there should be a 12-hour Bengal Bandh. The political pressure continues to mount on the West Bengal administration and the government there. Surya Agni continues to be with us. The demand for a 12-hour Bandh called by the BJP. Surya Agni, you were also telling us about what happened early this morning today and how all of this started.
Well, yes, absolutely. See, the police, they are removing everyone who is around, who is standing around this particular spot. What is important is that, as you were mentioning, that protests were happening throughout different points of Kolkata. And yes, the BJP had said that they will support this particular movement of the students or the social movement. And then, today, as you were saying, yes, that Shubhendu Adhikari has claimed that. Now, again, I'll show you visuals of what the ground reality is right now. I'll ask my camera person to just pan and show you multiple police personnel standing over here, and then there are supporters. They are waving the national flag, and they are still, chanting slogans. They were stopped, and now they are being pushed back. Now it has to be seen what happens henceforth, whether they'll try to march forward or whether the police will, push them back.
Right, Surya Agni Roy getting in those details from Kolkata, even as we stay with those pictures. The BJP has called for a 12-hour bandh in the state of Bengal. The political pressure mounting on the West Bengal government and the administration. This is the Mahila Morcha of the BJP holding a Tala Lagao Abhiyan at the office of the Mahila Commission on the 30th of August. They're calling for a 12-hour bandh, a strike tomorrow in protest of today's incident. Surya Agni, the BJP continues to say that these were peaceful protesters. What was the need for this crackdown? Surya Agni, the BJP is now saying that these were peaceful protesters. Why this sort of a crackdown is the question that the BJP is asking.
See, there have been a war of words between the Trinamool Congress and the BJP regarding this particular protest that we have been covering. The BJP, they have, time and again stated that this is a social protest and they will, support this one. Even though we didn't really see many big, BJP leaders who participating in this. But yes, the BJP leaders, be it Shubhendu Adhikari or Sukanta Majumdar, they had supported this particular, rally. The Trinamool, time and again, they stated that this is being done by the BJP. These people who are calling this rally, they are calling it at behest of the BJP, and this is what they had been stating. So there is a war of words, and now you saw what Shubhendu Adhikari had to say on this particular issue. The politics behind, the politics on this particular rally, on the aftermath of this rally, will slowly play out, once this, once today ceases. But it has to be seen whether the BJP, because many BJP leaders had said that even they will protest if force is used on this crowd, on these protesters. It has to be seen whether, the BJP will hit the streets of Kolkata protesting against the Kolkata police and Mamata Banerjee or not. Back to you.
Right, Surya Agni Roy getting in those details. We'll continue to get you more on that big story that we're tracking from Kolkata city, where there were protesters were trying to make an attempt to get into the state secretariat demanding the resignation of Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. There's been a crackdown on the protesters. The police say they resorted to violence.